Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready for work and I'm going to basically show you how to use the Bondi Boost Blowout Brush, and I'm going to give it a review as well at the same time. Okay, so I bought this thing from Facebook and there's a lot of hype on it, right? So basically the brush itself I think is pretty good and I would recommend it. So it's probably best to have it on wet hair because you dry it out and you style it at the same time. Okay, so wash your hair and then you can use the brush to actually even detangle your hair and as well as just do it all up. This brush is basically, the bristles are so soft you can actually hit your head on it and it's quite soft. It's not hard, you know, so that's good. The settings on this is there's like a low setting and a high setting, and there's a fan and there's the on and off button, right? The best thing to do in my case is I use the first setting. I can't use the second setting, it's just too hot. Okay, so here we go.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young, dumb, and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind.